So, I was diving into this massive list of awesome Python libraries and frameworks, and wow, there's some wild stuff in there.
Oh, totally. I mean, have you seen the audio libraries? It's insane how many tools there are for audio processing.
Right? Like, there's this library called Librosa for music analysis. That's got to open up so many possibilities for creators.
Exactly. And it's all so accessible. You can manipulate audio and even do feature extraction without a PhD.
Hold on. Have you ever tried using a library like PyDub? It's like a magic wand for editing audio.
I haven't, but I love the idea of that. Just imagine turning a podcast into a musical masterpiece or a catchy intro.
That gives me chills thinking about the creative potential. And then there's the whole world of machine learning tools.
Oh, for sure. Libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow are game changers. It's crazy how accessible ML has become.
And there's MindsDB, which lets you train ML models with SQL queries. That's revolutionary for data folks.
Wait, seriously? So you can just deploy models without diving into Python? That changes everything.
Exactly. It's like frictionless innovation. But it got me thinking about how many libraries I've missed.
Same here. There are entire categories like web development stacks and even gaming frameworks.
Oh, don't get me started on game dev. Libraries like Pygame sound so fun to experiment with.
Totally. And imagine creating a full 3D game with Panda 3D or Harfang 3D. It sounds like a dream come true.
Now that you mention it, game development with Python feels way more attainable than I thought.
Absolutely. And what about the asynchronous programming libraries? They're just mind-blowing.
Yes, libraries like Asyncio and Uveloop really make you rethink how you handle concurrency.
They really do. I'm picturing how that could speed up web applications like night and day.
Hold on. Speaking of the web, have you seen FastAPI? It's designed for building APIs quickly.
Oh wow, FastAPI is amazing. The performance is top-notch, and it handles requests like a pro.
Exactly. And the fact that it uses type hints, that's a game changer for developers wanting clean code.
Right? It's like a dream for any Pythonista. Also, did you see the natural language processing section?
Oh yes. Libraries like Spacey and LTK are classic, but there's so much potential for new projects.
Absolutely. And with advances in AI, imagine building your own NLP applications for translations.
Wow, yeah. It makes me ponder how far we can go with just a handful of libraries. It's endless.
Definitely. But have you heard of some obscure libraries? Like one for parsing URLs? It's called Furl.
No way. But that's so niche and incredibly useful for web applications. Who knew parsing could be so exciting?
Right. And what about tools like Docker for Python? It's seriously transforming how we handle deployments.
Oh wow, that makes perfect sense. Combining Docker with Python simplifies the whole process.
Exactly. We are at a point where managing dependencies is almost effortless because of these tools.
It's like programming is evolving super fast, and those who adapt will lead the future in tech.
For real. This is such a fascinating time to be in tech. I'm super excited to see where it goes.
Same here. It feels like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with all these libraries.
And with so many resources available online, the learning curve feels more like a fun, steep hill.
Exactly. It's exhilarating, almost like a treasure hunt where every discovery opens a new door.
Totally. I mean, just thinking about the creative applications is making me want to dive in right now.
Right? And imagine collaborating with others, sharing what you create with these tools. It's unreal.
That's so exciting. I feel like I need to start a project this weekend with one of these libraries.
Same. Let's challenge each other to build something new. This is the perfect time to experiment.
Absolutely. So what should we dive into? The possibilities are endless, and I'm here for it.
How about we explore both audio processing and machine learning? That could lead to something epic.
That sounds awesome. Let's create something that merges music and machine learning. I'm already pumped.
Me too. Who knows, we might stumble upon the next big thing. Let's make it happen.
Yes, and for anyone listening out there, dive into Python. The future is yours to shape.
Definitely. So many possibilities await, and who knows what discoveries are just around the corner.
Exactly. Let's keep learning and exploring together. The journey is just beginning.
Agreed. Here's to all the creators and innovators out there. Let's keep pushing boundaries.